Hey friends, if you encounter the ERR cache miss error on Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select History and click on History once again. Select Delete Browsing Data, change the time range to all time and click on Delete from this device. So this is the main solution. Basically the cache was problematic and now we have deleted the cache. If this doesn't help, then click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and click on manage extensions. If you find any problematic extension here, then turn it off and remove it. Okay, if that doesn't help either, then click on these three dots at the top right corner and then you can go and click on help and select about Chrome. Let it update to the latest version. The last solution will be to go to reset settings on the list on the left hand side. Select restore settings to the original values and reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.